also see a specification called gain, usually expressed by a number from about 0.8 to 2. Gain is a measurement of the reflectivity of any screen or projection surface. The gain number represents the ratio of the light reflected from the screen compared to the light reflected from a standard magnesium oxide board. Therefore, a screen with a gain of 1.0 will reflect the same amount of light as a white board. A screen rated at 1.5 gain will reflect 50% more light than that of a white board. A gray screen with a 0.8 rating will reflect 80% of the light from a white board. Each of these types has an environment that they are best suited for. The most common type of screen will have a white surface. Within white screens, you're going to find gain specifications from around 1 to 1.4. The matte white types will typically be 1.0. Most white screens provide what we feel is the most accurate picture reproduction. They also have a very wide viewing angle where you're not going to get too much light drop off if you're not perfectly centered on the screen. In the thousands of theaters that we have done nationwide, our top specified gain is 1.3, which is a terrific balance between brightness, area of coverage, and minimizing other performance trade-offs. Now, for the most accurate video experience, a screen gain of 1.0 is considered close to perfection. However, the reduction in brightness is usually not worth that minimal trade-off unless you are coupling a relatively high output projector for your specific screen size. The gray or almost black types of screens are great for rooms where you do not have full control of the light coming into the room. While we don't feel these high contrast screens are quite as color accurate as the white screen, if you have a lot of light, they will look better in that type of room compared to a white screen. Now, these screens are typically used in a family or a media room where you just cannot make things completely dark, allowing you to have a home theater experience in a multi-use space. Our free home theater design tool will let you change your screen gain and, in return, will do the math based on your projector and its location to tell you how the screen gain will impact the brightness in nits. Now, we recommend you plug in your room specifications and test different projector locations and see what screen gains might work best for you, or just have our experts examine your room and make sure you choose the very best one.